Hi friends, welcome to our fourth class on development. We start with body mass index. What is body mass index? Body mass index is a ratio of one person's weight taken in kilograms to the square of height taken in meters. We can have an example here. Weight of a boy aged 15 years is 45 kilograms and his height is 160 centimeters. What will be his body mass index? In order to calculate body mass index, we take the weight in kilograms and it is divided by the square of his height in meters. So we have the data 45 divided by 2.56. 2.56 is the square of his height in meters and we have the value 17.58. Normal value range for a boy of this age is 16 to 27. This value range is taken from the table. This table is given in the textbook also, and we see that the value we got 17.58 falls within this range. So the boy we took as an example is a normal boy. Okay, he is not underweight or obese. Okay, let's move on. Body mass index is a measure of development, but generally it is taken as a measure of nutrition. Look at this table. We have taken three states from India to know something about the body mass index. In Kerala, we see that 8.5 percentage of the males and 10 percentage of the females are underweight. In Karnataka, 17 percentage of the males and 21 percentage of the females are below normal. In Madhya Pradesh, the percentages are 28 and 28. 28 percentage of both males and females are underweight. All India average for males is 20 percentage and for females it is 23 percentage. Okay, this is according to the National Family Health Survey 2015-16. Okay, let's move on. Now we come to Human Development Report. This Human Development Report is a report published annually by UNDP, United Nations Development Program. This is an organ of UNO. This report is used to compare countries based on the educational level of the people, their health status, and per capita income. So three key dimensions are used to make this report, and countries are ranked accordingly. And this ranking is called Human Development Index. So in Human Development Index, three key measures are used to rank the countries. They are income, health, and education. Okay. The Human Development Index is the geometric mean of normalized indices for each of the three dimensions of income, health, and education. The income dimension is assessed by per capita income according to purchasing power parity. The health dimension is assessed by life expectancy at birth, and the education dimension is measured by mean of years of schooling for adults aged 25 years and more, and expected years of schooling of younger generation. Younger generation means those children who are ready to go to the school. Purchasing power parity means uh, the price of a commodity must be the same in all countries, and this can be made clear only when we mention the prices in the same currency. Suppose the price of 1 kilogram rice is 40 rupees in India, but half a dollar in USA, then we can say that half a dollar is equal to 40 rupees or $1 is equal to 80 rupees. Okay. The criteria adopted for the measurement of HDI are, as we know, per capita income, health, and education. How are these used in HDI calculation? Per capita income is calculated on the basis of purchasing power parity and converted to dollar. The idea of purchasing power parity is that the price of a commodity expressed in the same currency must be the same all over the world. If 2 kilogram wheat costs $1 in USA and 70 rupees in India, $1 is equal to 70 rupees. If a person in India has a per capita income of rupees 350, when converted according to purchasing power parity, this will be equal to $5. This is how per capita income of countries are converted to dollars. Okay. And in some cases, the purchasing power parity is taken based on the price of a base year, price or exchange rate of a base year. Okay. Now we come to life expectancy at birth. Life expectancy at birth denotes average expected length of life of a person at the time of birth. This depends on factors like place of birth, climate, genetic features, health facilities available and accessible in the country, social attitude on health, etc. While calculating HDI index, UNDP adopts the concept life expectancy at birth for measuring health. Okay, what is mean years of schooling? The education dimension is measured by mean of years of schooling for adults aged 25 years and more and expected years of schooling of the younger generation. Mean years of schooling is the average number of completed years of education of a population. Average number of completed years of education. Now we come to the expected years of schooling. Expected years of schooling is the average number of years a child can expect to go to the school and get education in a country. This dimension is to assess the access to knowledge of younger generation. If the average expected years of schooling is more, the individual development and national development will be more. The country can expect a good stock of human resource, which is essential for development. So we can see that the HDI utilizes four key metrics. One is life expectancy at birth. This is to assess a long and healthy life. Secondly, expected years of schooling. This is to assess access to knowledge of the young generation. Third, average years of schooling. This is to assess access to knowledge of the older generation. And finally, we have gross national income per capita or per capita income. And this is to assess the standard of living of the people. So these are the four metrics used in the calculation of HDI index. Now look at this table. We have the HDI rankings of certain countries which are neighbors of India. The list is topped by Sri Lanka. Its rank is 73. India's rank is 130. All other countries are below India. Okay. Now look at the top ranking countries according to HDI. Norway is at the top. Switzerland on the second position. Australia third. Ireland fourth. Germany fifth. But recently these positions are slightly changing. In 2022, Norway has come to the second position. Switzerland is on the first position. Australia has fallen to 10th position. Ireland is on 7th position and Germany is on 7th position. An interesting fact is that recently some other countries like Iceland, Denmark, Sweden, etc. have come to the top positions. Okay, thank you. You can have the notes from my blog, EcoFriend. The link is given here, ullasachivan.blogspot.com. See you.